It is New Year's Eve on Old MacDonald's farm. I wonder how all of the animals will say Happy New Year. On Old MacDonald's farm, it is almost New Year's Day, and Old MacDonald has something very special to say. Old MacDonald sees Little Pig. Happy New Year, Little Pig. Happy New Year to you. Does Little Pig say Happy New Year too? No. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Oink, oink, says Little Pig, just as all pigs do. Next, Old MacDonald sees Little Chicken. Happy New Year, Little Chicken. Happy New Year to you. Does Little Pig say Happy New Year too? No. Cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck, says Little Chicken, just as all chickens do. Next, Old MacDonald sees Little Cow. Happy New Year, Little Cow. Happy New Year to you. Does Little Cow say Happy New Year too? No. Moo, 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 says Little Cow, just as all cows do. Next, Old MacDonald sees Little Horse. Happy New Year, Little Horse. Happy New Year to you. Does Little Horse say Happy New Year too? No. Nay, says Little Horse, just as all horses do. Next, Old MacDonald sees Little Duck. Happy New Year, Little Duck. Happy New Year to you. Does Little Duck say Happy New Year too? No. Quack, 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 says Little Duck, just as all ducks do. Last of all, Old MacDonald sees Little Sheep. Happy New Year, Little Sheep. Happy New Year to you. Does Little Sheep say Happy New Year too? No. Baa, 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 says Little Sheep, just as all sheep do. Now Old MacDonald gets ready to drive away, but first the animals have one more thing to say. Oink, oink, says Little Sheep. Cluck, cluck, says Little Chicken. Moo, moo, says Little Cow. Nay, says Little Horse. Quack, quack, says Little Duck. Baa, says Little Sheep. And all say Happy New Year to you. Thanks so much for visiting Old MacDonald's farm on New Year's with me today. If you loved the video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe for more videos. See you next time, little sunshine.